Ready to turn your wholesale inventory into a profit-generating machine on Amazon FBA. First, dive deep into keyword research using tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords that your target customers are actually searching for, and compile these into a master list. Next, ditch the blurry snapshots and invest in high-quality images that showcase your product from every angle, including lifestyle shots that demonstrate its use. Remember, visuals sell. Now, let's craft compelling copy by highlighting the key benefits of your product and how it solves customer problems. Think beyond just listing features, tell a story that resonates. Optimize your listing with a keyword-rich title that includes your main search term, followed by concise and benefit-driven bullet points that grab attention. Finally, write a detailed product description that provides all the necessary information while reinforcing the value proposition, and that's how you create an Amazon FBA wholesale listing that attracts buyers, boosts visibility, and drives sales.